Para pagbigyan sila, sila na naman.
Sige po.
Okay lang din.
Okay na, sige.
Okay lang,
Just
okay lang.
last statement before
Sige,
before I give the floor to Senator Risa. I just would like to put on record the statements made by former Senator De Lima. During the investigation here in the Senate, during her term when she was still a senator, wala pa rin nakita ebidensya tungkol dyan sa mga DDS na tinatawag. Nung CHR chairman siya, wala pa rin siyang, wala rin nangyari sa mga investigation at wala pa rin nakita ng ebidensya. Nung secretary siya ng DOJ, which is a very, very, which is a
Powerful
very, very
position.
powerful cabinet position, wala po rin siyang mga nakitang ebidensya. At hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin po ang sinasabi niya, wala pa rin gustong mag-testify, wala pa rin gustong, wala pa rin siyang kinakasuhan.